I grew up in an area that had lots of maple trees, and at the end of each wonderful warm summer, we would have the most magnificent display of colors. You know, the maple tree leaves turn colors because of the high sugar content, which of course is where we get maple sugar from, but that's a whole nother story. Today we're going to draw one of these really lovely balanced leaves from nature. Let's see if we can get that wonderful shape and that wonderful balance that each leaf seems to have. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.